Welcome to our flipped classroom. Today we're going to do a review about solving inequalities that only have one variable and just how to graph them on a number line. So again, we are solving inequalities today, this guy right here, and we're going to go ahead and do our example problem. Here's the problem we're going to start on, so if you want to go ahead and copy that down, you can either pause it or get it down quick because I'm going to go ahead and get started. The first thing we're going to do, and we're not going to call it the rainbow, it's the distributive property. I'm taking that 5 and I'm applying it to what's inside the parentheses. Same with that 2 over there. So we know 5 times 2 is 10, so I have 10 u's. 5 times 3, that gives me 15. I have my symbol, which is greater than. 2 times u is just 2u. 2 times a negative 3 is a negative 6. And I have my plus u. I like to combine my variables first, so on my right side I want to go ahead and combine my u's. I'm going to write my left side just as it is. 2u plus a u is 3 u's, and I have my minus 6. Again, I like to then keep going with my variables. I'm going to subtract 3u from both sides, so I end up with 7u, and then minus 6 on this side. I'm then going to subtract 15. So I have 7u here, and on the other side of my inequality I have negative 21. And last but not least, I'm going to divide both sides by 7. So I have u is greater than negative 3. Now to graph this on a number line. I just draw something like that. I always draw a line. I write what number it is that I'm graphing. And then as a refresher, it's either an open circle or a closed circle. If it's a closed circle, it means your answer can be negative 3. In our case right here, we see that u is greater than negative 3, but it can't be negative 3. So it's going to be an open circle right here. And then it says u is greater than negative 3. So it's all the numbers that are bigger than negative 3. And that's to the right. That's what it would look like when you graph that. So you not only have to solve, but you also have to make sure that you're graphing. This problem right here on our next is one that I want you to try on your own. Once you're finished, we're going to talk about it as a class to make sure we kind of understand. It ends up being like a little bit of a tricky answer, and so that's why we're going to talk about it. Good luck.